I am in love with this face tracking phone mount. So for day 26 of my 31 uploads in 31 days, I'm giving y'all my review. I only had it for a few days, but I love it. I really do love it. So first and foremost, it costs $35.99 on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I'm showing y'all the box because I was so excited. I didn't do a proper unboxing, but it just came with the two pieces, the top and the bottom. You can get it in black, white, or pink. I usually get everything for my craft room in white. The bottom has that screwed off piece. You can mount it on a tripod. Perfect for if you're going live, if you're creating content, you're making YouTube tutorials. Perfect. Also, the front right there, that's a like sensor that's going to track your face and your body. Above that I'm pressing right there, that's the power button. You see I turn it on? It's already looking for me. It's already looking for me. Listen, it measures 7.75 inches by 3.93 by 3.93 inches. Now, I also want to show you guys, you need to charge it. Obviously, everything nowadays needs to be charged. It charges in the back with the USB Type-C charger. See that right there? Hello. Now, when it's fully charged, it can last up to 6 to 8 hours. You can lean it front, back, not side to side, but you can go up or down. It also can hold your phone vertically or horizontally. Hello. Doesn't matter if you're making a reel or you're making a YouTube tutorial. It has you. It expands 2 to 4 inches, so it can fit any phone. I don't know any phone that's wider than that. But if it is, which is not, then it's not for you. But 2 to 4 inches, isn't it cute? It's perfect. And at $35.99 tracking me, I love it. Look, it's already tracking me. So, of course, I had to show y'all how it works. You don't have to link it through Bluetooth or anything like that. You don't got to plug your phone into it. It just holds your phone because that base part, it's what's tracking you. So, of course, I won't be me if I'm not acting a complete fool back here. So don't mind, but I needed to show y'all how it works. So when I move, it moves. I walk over to the right, it turns to the right. I walk over to the left, it turns with me to the left. You want to do a little shimmy shake, slide and dive, it's going to do it with you. Look, swirl to the left, swirl to the right, and it's coming with you. You want to dip? It'll dip. Let's go. Snake it, and it's going to snake with you. But anyway, for serious, I highly recommend this. And for the price, it's amazing. Look at me. See how it works? I ain't lying to y'all. If I'm lying, I'm dying. All right, guys. Peace in the Middle East. Rain in Spain. I'll see y'all for tomorrow's upload.